You open an AI app, type in a quick, friendly request, and hit enter, hoping it gives you something you can actually use at work. But instead of a helpful answer, you get a massive wall of text. It usually comes packed with generic filler, and if you look closely, you might even find statistics that don't actually exist. These are hallucinations, moments where the AI confidently makes things up because your request was too vague for it to find the real answer. These errors happen because we often treat the AI like a buddy sitting across from us at a coffee shop. Relying on casual chat forces the system to guess what you actually need. To get better results, we need to change our mindset. Instead of a buddy, think of the AI as a performer standing on a stage, waiting for clear, structured direction. This is where we step into the director's chair. We use the methods professional teachers use to design lessons, giving the AI clear, performance-based objectives. Shifting from unpredictable chatting to structured instruction is the first step toward getting professional-grade results. Imagine a film director trying to guide an actor by simply telling them to feel the scene or understand the motivation. It leaves way too much room for a bad performance. The same thing happens when you ask an AI to perform an invisible, internal thought process it isn't capable of. Assign a concrete task. Tell it to list, summarize, or format the information. Replace your intent with a specific action, and the AI's output becomes much more predictable. Without boundaries, the AI has an infinite search area. This wandering, or probabilistic drift, causes generic guesses and made-up facts. To fix this, apply constraints. This creates a literal box around its knowledge space. You can even use negative constraints to forbid outside internet research. These strict boundaries force the AI to stay on script, which helps eliminate hallucinations by removing the space it uses to make things up. Sometimes an AI gives you an answer that is technically correct, but still completely useless for the task you're actually working on. To avoid this, you need to provide criteria. These are the specific metrics you use to define what success looks like. This might mean mandating an exact word count, enforcing a professional tone, or defining the exact layout of the final document. Giving the AI these metrics up front allows the model to check its own work against your standards before it gives you the final answer. When you define the quality standard at the start, the AI is much more likely to deliver exactly what you need on the first try. This diagram shows the difference. On the left is casual chat. On the right is structured instruction, divided into an action, a boundary, and a quality standard. Casual prompts make the AI guess, producing messy results. Structured prompts fit perfectly without guessing. You don't need to be a computer programmer to do this. It's simply a matter of being a better director. Give it an action, set a tight boundary, and define what success looks like. Treating the AI as a performer rather than a peer makes it a high-precision professional tool. So for your next prompt, skip the small talk, take the director's chair, and call for action.